Hello, this is govbuster, and we're documenting a crime here. This is an example of an energy bill with the dates on it. Let's see if I can get it a little more focused for you here. These are just random dates. But if you look over here at the usage, it's 5/5100 right in here. Well, this is because this is a current bill, okay? Now, we're going to slip over here to the first bill because this lower number is at 0. And if you notice this date right here, 12/15 of 22, 12/16, get where you see it. I don't know if I got it closer on it. Back. 12-15 of 22, you have 0 usage. This was a new bill. Entergy and the poll guy, which his name was Jack Housley. And if you look at 12/16/22 here, this would be fire coming down from the sky. Okay, your power pole guy at energy. And then you would see on the moon phase calendar for December of 22 here, it's circled, would be the 16th, would be a half moon. And this would be 12/16. Jack Housley, energy employee, installed a power pole in our yard. Suspect 1. Okay. And here it is right here to show you again. 12/16 of 03. And this is a Rebecca Gould case. This is December of 03 and December 16th of 03. Same moon, lit on the same side. This is 12/16. This is first step in the Rebecca Gould case. Exactly 18.6 years lunar cycle. 20 years and 1 day from 9/21/04. These are both 16 here. So this is 16 and this is 16. So as I'm documenting some of this stuff as I go along, you can see that this is a dead on. Okay. Now let's go with step number 2 here. This is a check registry that's from check number 320, Don Smith, dirt, rock, trees. But he's also the water guy for $1,700. And I can get a copy of this check from my bank with his signature on it if I really need to. But let's see. 320. Wow. Look. It's 320. And it's the water guy. Fire. Water. This is the first part. I'm going to do these in segments so you can understand what these people are doing. And here's the March 23 on the 20th. No moon. And why this is segmented like this is because this is an annular partial eclipse. And this is 320 of 04 in the Rebecca Gould case. And this is the same thing. So let me get over here. March of 04. March 20th of 04. Wow, it's the same phase. This is to prove that fire, and water exists. And we're going to prove a lot more here. Because I don't appreciate a gun being pointed in my face in a time, pre-staged, pre-planned fashion. And I don't appreciate these cases matching up, especially when they're calling William Alma Miller this suspect that they're prosecuting at the very exact same time. This was on A&E. They're doing this at the exact very same time that they're doing this out here to me. So we'll get back in touch with y'all and we'll produce more evidence. Y'all have a nice day.